YouTube! I'm back with part 4 of reselling AirPods and a bunch of different things. This video is going to be AirPods, but make sure you stay tuned and check out the next video because I believe next video is when we're going to be transferring on and trying out a different item. So make sure y'all stay tuned. As y'all can see, the LED lights is red because this person right here commented last video, was the first person to comment last video. So make sure you comment right now what color you want my LED lights to be in the next video and I got you. I'm not sure exactly where we were at last video, but I am out of AirPods right now. I have 0 AirPods, 0 inventory left, so I am waiting on my next order. It should be here in the next couple days, so that's when I'll pick up the camera. But I do got 10 more coming in. I'm gonna pop up all of this stuff on the screen after I get the AirPods and once I do the math, so we know how much profit, how much I've spent, all of that stuff. So y'all can kind of put in this perspective too. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this series, and once I get that shipment, I'll pick up the camera. Alright, I just got back from school. Mom's told me I got a package coming, so got the package. 10 AirPod Pro 2s, as you guys can see right here. We got 10 AirPod Pro 2s. Brand new, valid serial number, valid everything. I'm gonna let y'all know when someone messaged me or when I get a sale. I'll see y'all then. Alright, we're back. It's a few hours after I last picked up the camera. I have sold 3 so far. I've sold 3 since the last time I picked up the camera, so I'm not sure the profit, but I'll pop it up on the screen right here. That's the profit I made. I sold one for 85, one for 89, and I think someone offered 71 on one, so I took that, which is still pretty good profit. Alright, real quick, I'm sorry to budge in, but as I'm editing this video, I actually just sold another pair for 85. As y'all can see, I just sold another pair, $85. It was at 89, but I switched it to 85 and it sold right away. So now I'm actually going to pop up the new profit on the screen right here. This is adding the one that just sold. So yeah, that's a little bit more profit. So that was like perfect timing because that's when I was editing this video. As y'all can see, I'm editing this video right now. Don't comment while I'm using CapCut, but if you need a free video editor on PC, you guys definitely gotta use CapCut. Alright, back to the video. Yeah, that's going to close out the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all turn on notifications so you get notified when I upload. I think it's part 5. I think this is part 4, so when I upload part 5. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this series so far. And yeah, I got 6 more pairs. I also have 10 more on the way. I forgot to tell you guys. I have 10 more on the way. There was a sale, so I got 10 more for 150, so 15 each. Yeah, I'll be picking that stuff up in the next episode, but appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hit that sub button right now. Comment below what color you want my LED lights in the next video, and I'll pop it up on the screen. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Other than that, it's been Ship. I'm out. Peace.